Last 5 seconds. Ready, start. This appeal has been filed against the judgment dated 29/11/2008 in Sessions Trial number 2 of 2007, passed by 6 additional sessions Judge Fast Track Court, Chhatarpur, by which appellant number 1 Inderpal Singh has been convicted under section 302 of IPC and sentenced to undergo life imprisonment and a fine of rupees 5,000 in default of payment of fine. Additional rigorous imprisonment for 2 years under section 307 of the Indian Penal Code, rigorous imprisonment for 7 years and a fine of rupees 2,000 in default of payment of fine. Additional rigorous imprisonment of 1 year under section 25-27 of the Arms Act, rigorous imprisonment for 3 years and a fine of rupees 1,000, failing which simple imprisonment for 6 months, and appellant number 2 Devendra Singh has been convicted under section 302-34 and sentenced to undergo life imprisonment and a fine of rupees 5,000. In default of payment of fine, additional rigorous imprisonment for 2 years under section 307-34 of the IPC, rigorous imprisonment for 7 years and a fine of rupees 2,000 in default of payment of fine, additional rigorous imprisonment of 1 year. For the sake of convenience, the appellants shall be referred as accused persons and the respondent as prosecution hereinafter. The case of prosecution in brief is that the accused Inderpal had enmity with deceased Khuman Patel because Khuman had slapped Indu 3 years before on 17 September 2006 at about 7 p.m. in village Dargua in the field of Bachchu Patwari. Accused Indu Inderpal and Devendra Singh arrived where Khuman Patel, Santosh Patel and Shekhar Patel were working. Accused Inderpal was carrying a gun and Devendra Singh had an axe in his hand. Accused Inderpal uttered obscene words and ordered Khuman, Santosh and Shekhar to stand in a line. Then he asked whom should he shot at first. When Khuman asked the accused why were they killing them, accused Devendra Singh said, "Kill them all." After that, accused Inderpal fired at Khuman Patel on his chest, who died on the spot. When Shekhar tried to escape, accused Indu fired at him too. The bullet hit Shekhar's left hand. Devi Deen Patel and Santosh, who were present at the time of incident in the same field, came running to their village and told the entire incident to Sarpanch, Harsevak Patel, Nandu Patel and Balkishan Patel. Injured Shekhar was taken to the police station Satai, where he lodged a report. The report was registered under crime number 0. The FIR was registered by police station Pipat as the place of incident falls within its jurisdiction. The concerned police station completed the investigation and filed the charge sheet against the accused persons under section 302-34, 307-34 of the Indian Penal Code and sections 25 and 27 of the Arms Act. The learned trial court framed charges for the offence under sections 302, 307 of the IPC and sections 25-27 of the Arms Act against the accused Indu, and also framed charges under sections 302-34, 307-34 of the IPC against accused Devendra Singh. The accused persons denied their guilt and stated that they are innocent and pleaded for trial, raising defense of false implication. The learned trial court, after trial of the case and on the basis of the evidence and material came on record, found the accused persons guilty of the offences as mentioned above and sentence them as per the impugned judgment. Stop.